Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to use TIA Portal version 17 to create the UDT and faceplate to control the PLC schematic S7-1500. Okay. If we would like to talk about the UDT, UDT stands for User Defined Data Type, that we can use the library. It means that the library we create only one, and then we can apply to another function. Yes. Example, we have 100 motors, then we use only one library, and then we can copy and paste to use to apply for all 100 motor. Yes, and we can control the motor one by one, follow the format that we created on the UDT. Okay. And in this section, I will detail about how to create the UDT and faceplate step by step and easy to understand. Yes, I will go slowly because it's very important for the basic create the UDT and faceplate. Okay, and I will use the schematic S7-1500 connect to my PC via LAN cable to Profinet port of PLC. Okay, and I will add some I/O for test to see the status. Okay, so let's go to our software to create the project and create the UDT and faceplate together step by step. So let's go. Okay, here is the TIA Portal version 17 that I already installed in my PC. So first let's create the folder to keep the file project. Example PLC S7-1500 UDT and faceplate. Okay, and then let's open the TIA Portal version 17. Yes, we will create the example project and create the faceplate to control the PLC. Yes, step by step. So wait a moment for open the TIA Portal software. Actually, we can create the faceplate by using the function step by step. But if we would like to use the UDT, it's faster than. Yes. So we can use the UDT. So right now, let's create the new project. And then I will put S7 1500 UDT faceplate, and then I will browse to find the folder that we already created on desktop here, and then click create project. Okay, so take time a little bit more for create the project. After that, we can create the hardware configuration of PLC. Okay, so let's go to project view. Yes. And then I will add the new device. Add new device of PLC S7-1500. Go to controllers. Go to schematic S7-1500. Go to CPU. And then I will use the CPU 1515. Yes, 2PN. And then I will choose the part number the same as my actual real hardware, and then click OK to create the project. So take time a little bit more to create the hardware configuration. Yes. After that we can insert the I/O. Yes, insert some I/O. So here I'm no need the protection. If we would like to protect our project, we can also choose the setup to protect. Right now I will use the full control access. No need to protect. And then I will add some DI, digital input. Yes, digital input. And also digital output. Okay. And then we can go to hardware configuration to check the IP address of Profinet. Yes, full control. And for the Profinet port, we can check here. 192.168.0.1 subnet mask default 255.255.255.0. Yes. And then we can save project. And now first we need to create the UDT, right? Data type. So let's go to PLC data type and double click to create the new data type. Example, I will rename this one to be fan UDT. And for fan UDT, I will insert the name. Yes. Example, stop CMD. Yes. Start CMD. Dry. Set speed. Or set frequency. Feedback frequency. Yes. And the data type here is real. Yes, example real. So I will put real. Yes. So we have one fan. We have stop command, start command, dry. It is the output to control the relay or contactor. And here is the set frequency. And one more example, current fan current. The data type will also, because when fan running, it will show some current indicator to the HMI also. Okay, so we can compile the UDT, and then we can save the project. After that, we need to create the data block for keep or for apply the UDT. So let's go to program blocks, add new block, and let's go to data block. Yes, I will create data block name fan db. Yes, and then we can insert for fan 1 and choose the data type fan UDT that we already created here. So let's go to fan UDT. Actually, we can type fan, yes, fan UDT here, or we can select, yeah, here. Fan UDT, right? Yes, here. So we will got the parameter that we already assigned. So one fan we have totally 6 parameter. We have stop command, start command, drive. It is the output to control the relay or contactor. And we have set frequency, feedback frequency, and actual current. Okay. So if we would like to copy to fan number 2, number 3, and number 4 or something, we can right click and copy and paste, or we can drag like this. Yes, okay, like this. We will got the 7 fans. Yes, we will got the 7 fan. So if we would like to create the 100 fan, we can also drag to 100 fan. Yes. Okay, right now I will keep only 6 fan. Yes, so I can delete, and then we can compile and then save. So next step, we can create the function. Yes, so let's go to add new block and choose the function. Example fan fc. Yes. So here we can edit. Yes, we can write the logic. Example stop, start, drive, and then hold the start. And here we can use fan db. Yes, we can type fan db dot fan 1 dot stop, right? Dot stop cmd. Yes, and here we can type fan db dot fan 1 dot start db. So this start cmd. Okay, and here we can type fan db dot fan 1 dot dry. Okay, and here we can copy and paste. Yes, and for the set point speed and feedback, we can write the example logic. Yes, example, I will add real. I will add real. Yes, so add fan 1, set frequency, right? And example, I will add 2.5 and then equal fan dB dot fan 1 dot feedback frequency. Okay, and for the current of fan, we can use current of fan, we can use move. Current of fan we can use. Okay, I will add one more parameter for the UDT. So I will add current. So current show this one, current out fan current out, and this one fan current in. Yes, and then we will update. Yes, we will update the UDT. Update interface. Yes, and then let's compile again. Okay, so we will got fan current out, and then here we can move fan current in to fan current out. Yeah, so fan 1 current in, and then move to fan 1 current out. Okay, so we can compile the logic. Okay, there is no error occur, then we can save the project. And for fan number 2 to number 6, we can do the same procedure. Yes, so actually we can double click here and choose the fan 1, this one, example fan 1. I will rename to fan 1 FC, and this one I will insert one more for fan 2 FC, and we can stop, start, dry, hold the dry, and we have move, sorry, we have add, and then add the in one, right? In one, so fan2 fan db dot fan2 dot set frequency, right? Example, I will add 1.5, yes, dot fan2 dot frequency feedback, and here we can use fan2 fan db dot fan2 dot stop cmd, right? This one, fan db dot fan2 dot start cmd. This one, fan db dot fan db dot fan2 dot try, and we can copy and paste here. And this one, example, move, I will move fan db dot fan2 dot fan2 dot current in, and this one, fan db dot fan2 dot current out, yes. So this is just example, so I will create only 2 fan first, yes. So we can compile the logic. Okay, there is no error, so we can call this one fan 1 controller. So we can drag and drop the FC1 to the network. This one, fan 2 controller, yes. Okay, we can compile. So for the logic we already created. So right now let's insert the HMI and then create the faceplate for these 2 fans. So let's go to add the new device, choose the HMI, choose the another HMI that we want. Right now I will use the TP700 Comfort version 17. Okay, so wait a moment for create the HMI edition. Okay, and then we can browse to find the PLC one here. We already created, and okay, no need this one, so we can click finish. Okay, we will got the root screen, yes. So I will delete some screen, yes. So we need to create the faceplate, right? For start and stop the fan, and also set point the frequency and show the feedback of current, yes. So let's go to screen. Here we can also rename the screen, example main screen. and let create the sample faceplate. So I will use the rectangle. Yes, and we have bone for start, right? And also for stop, so we can copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. And then I will use the fan, right? So we can click here. Yes, click here. And then we can draw the fan. Yes. So here push button stop, right? So I will rename to stop and change the property to be red color for button stop. And here I will change to blue color. Okay. And then I will increase the size a little bit more to be 19. And here we can adjust. So actually we have a condition, right? So I will use the cycle for condition of fan. When fan running, it will green. When fan stop, it will red, right? So I will change the color to be red. And we also have the set frequency, right? Set frequency, then I will use the IO field. Yes. So I will adjust this one, and then we can copy for actual the frequency. Okay, like this. Then we can copy and paste. So this one feedback frequency, right? And copy one more. I will change this color to be this color. Yes. change to yellow color, and then I will decrease the size of fan little bit. Because we need to put the unit also, right? So this one should be current. Yes. So I will put the unit. This one should be hertz. And the feedback should be heard also. And for current should be M, right? So we can put the unit. M. Yes. And then we can try to adjust to be smaller than this because we have 6 fans, right? For this screen. Okay, so we can adjust. This one we can use like this. And then this one I will adjust to be smaller than this one. Okay. And then I will put the fan name, right? So here I will put name. And this one should be can adjust, right? So let's go to layout and then uncheck the fit object to content. Then we can adjust. And we can change the size. Yes. Okay. Okay, like this. And if we would like to create the faceplate, we can right click. Yes, first select all, right click and then choose create faceplate. Example fan faceplate. and we need to create the property, right? But before create the property, we can go back and then drag and drop the fan UDT. Yes, this one should be the project library first, because we need to use this data type, right? So we can drag and drop here. Okay, fan UDT, and then we can go back to the library. Yes, here, open library again, and then we need to create the property, right? So basically we can add property here, and example fan library. Yes, fan lift, and we need to choose the data type as fan UDT, right? Because all parameters we already created, so we need to choose fan UDT version 0.0.1. Yes, then we will got the parameters here of all fans. Okay, so we need to configure the button and status or IO field one by one. Yes, so first let's go to start and then go to events. Because we need to configure only one fan, and then we can copy to 6 fans. Yes, by using only one faceplate. So first let's go to freeze. I will accent it with set bit, and here we can browse to find the text from property. So here I can use start CMD, and when release I will reset bit, go to property, and then choose start CMD also, because we need to push and release. It not allow the logic is whole, right? So we need to use freeze and release. And for push button stop, I will set bit and browse the property with stop CMD, and here reset bit, and then I will browse to find the property as stop CMD. Yes, and for the status of the fan, we can go to animation, go to display, add new animation, and choose the apparent, and then go to property fan drive, right, and choose the rank 1. I will change color to be green when the fan running. And also we have set point frequency, right? So set frequency, we can go to property general and choose the property data type that we already created. So here is the frequency set, right? Okay, so I will choose frequency set, and this one should be 99.99. Input output, yes, okay. And for this one I will choose property also, and then choose frequency, yes, feedback frequency, and choose the output only, right? And for the format I will choose 99.99 also. And for this one I will choose current out, yes, fan current out. And then I will choose output also, and for the format I will choose 999.9. okay. And then for the M name we can also drag and drop to the property. So this one is text file, right? This one, yes. So we can go to the general, and then drag and drop the file to be data type, sorry, to property. Okay, it will automatically link. And then we need to call, yes, we need to close the faceplate also, right? So I will add one more button for close the faceplate when we would like to close, yes. So we can go to toolbox again, and then choose one more button for close the faceplate here, yes. So I will close. I will insert and change the font size a little bit. Go to text format, and then we can increase. And then I will change to this color. Okay, like this. And then we need to create the one more property, right? I will add more property for visible the text, yes. So this one should be visible faceplate, and the data type is boolean, yes. So here we can reset the faceplate, right? Or we can use the property outside the faceplate, right? So I will delete this one first. We will do it later. Yes. We can also insert here. Okay, let's insert here. Visible faceplate. Okay. And then this one I will go to events. When click, I will reset the visible faceplate. Yes. And then we need to hidden the faceplate, right? So we can click all. And then go to animation, new animation, visible, right? And then we can visible the faceplate. Okay. Okay, good. So that's all for create the faceplate, and then we can release the version. And then don't forget check the update instant in the project. Okay, and we come back to our main screen. Okay, we will got like this. And then if we check on interface, we will got like this. Yes. The text is the name. Yes. So for the name, we can choose the fan one. Yes. It come to fan one. And for this one, we can choose the data type, HMI text, browse to find the DB. Yes. And choose the fan one. Yes, we can go here, DB, and then choose the fan one. And here is the visible. So we can create the internal text. So on HMI text, we can insert the internal text. Example, fan 1 visible, fan 2 visible, the data type is boolean, and I will choose the internal text. So we can drag. We will got fan 3, fan 4, fan 5, and fan 6. Okay, then we will go back to main screen, and here we can choose the HMI tag, yes, and then choose the fan 1 visible. So if we try to simulation, yes, it will hidden all the faceplate, right? Okay, so we need to call the faceplate from the button, right? So I will use the one more fan. Yes, let's go to toolbox, and then this one. Okay, and then we can use button to call the fan 1 faceplate. Okay, and then we can go to property and choose the transparent. Yes, we will go like this, and then here we can use 0. Yes, like this, and then we can go to events, and when click I will set bit. Fan 1 visible, right, that we already created on the HMI tag internal. Yeah, here. Okay, and then let's test again. Okay, we will go like this, and when we click, the pop-up will update. Yes, and we can also close. Connection disconnect because we not yet download the logic to the PLC. Yes, so that's good, and we need to adjust some font a little bit. So let's go to edit the faceplate. We will adjust this one to smaller than this. Go to property, and then go to property again. Text format, I will change to 15. Yes, and then don't forget release the version, and the version will go to version 3. Okay, go to main screen again. We will got the faceplate like this, and one more thing, we need to change the color of the fan also, right? So we can go to toolbox, and then we can change the color of fan. So when the fan stop, I will show red, and when the fan run, I will show green. So go to animation, go to apparent, choose the take name, so go to data block, choose the dry, yes, and when the condition true, I will change the color to be green. Border is green also, yes, like this. Okay, and for the fan number 2 to number 6, we can just copy and paste. Okay, that's good. So we can adjust this one a little bit more, yes, before we copy, so we can adjust this one a little bit. Okay, like this enough. Okay, so save the project, and then we can release the version, go to version 4, and let's go to main screen again. We can simulation again before copy to fan 2, fan 3, fan 4, fan 5 and fan 6. Okay, try to click again. Okay, that's good. I will decrease the font size a little bit. Go to property, go to property again, and then go to the text format. I will change to 13. Yes. This one should be, can adjust, right? Okay, like this. Save the project and release. Go to version 5. And then we can go to main screen again and let simulation again. Yes. Make sure the screen that we already created is good. Okay, we can read, set frequency, feedback frequency and current of the fan. And then we can copy. We can select like this. And then we can copy and paste. We will got fan 2. Okay, I will put the one peg to fan, right? So there are 3. 3 peg, yes, put like this, easy to see and easy to control also, yes. So I will put like this, yes. Okay, and for the fan tool we can go to property and then go to interface, change this one to fan 2 and this one change to fan 2, or we can browse, yes. The data type is fan 2 and for this one is fan 2 visible, and just change this one to fan 2 dry, right? This one. Actually we can browse it, go to fan 2, go to dry, and this one go to events, change this one to 2. Okay, we will got like this. We can simulation. Okay, so if I click fan 1 or one button come here, right? So let me check again. This one here, and then we can copy to fan 3, 4, 5 and 6. So basically we can create the more screen. Example, this one is fan 2, fan 3 and fan 4. Yes. We can also copy from the main screen. Yes. So I will select this one, copy and paste. Yes. And paste one more. So this one should be fan 3, right? So go to interface, change this one to fan 3. Yes, become fan 3, and this one we can browse, go to program blocks, database, DB, fan 3, and this one should be fan 3 visible, and this one go to animation, apparent, change this one to fan 3, fan 3 dry, right? And this one also push button, go to events, change this one to fan 3, and for fan 4 we can go to property, go to interface, change this one to fan 4, and this one we can browse to find the data block fan 4. This one, go to animation, browse the data block of fan 4, go to dry, yes. And for the button to call the faceplate, we can go to property, events, change this one to fan 4, yes. And then we can copy and paste for fan 5 and 6, right? Okay, this one I will rename as fan 1 and fan 2, yes. And this one we can go to rename as fan 5, right? Browse to data block, fan 5, change this one to be fan 5, this one, apparent, change the text to be fan 5 dry, and call the faceplate, go to event, change this one to 5, and the last one, go to property, go to interface, fan number 6, right? Change this one to be fan 6, this one fan 6 visible, and this one go to apparent, and then go to program blocks, fan 6 dry, and this one go to events, change this one to 6, this one maybe I confused, so I will change. Let me check to make sure. This one should be fan 4, right? This one correct. And then we need to call the peg, right? So I will add the button to call. Example, go to main screen, and this one go to fan 1, fan 2 screen, this one go to fan 3 and fan 4 screen, yes. Can put like this. And for go to the main screen, we can go to events. When click, I will activate the screen, and then choose the screen name. The screen name is the fan 1, right? Oh, this one should be like this. Fan 1, fan 2 screen, and then this one go to events. So we can call the fan 4 and fan 5, right? Sorry, fan 3 and fan 4. Yes. So when click, I will activate the screen and then choose the screen name. So fan 3 and fan 4 here. Yes. So we can right click and copy and then go to fan 5, paste. So we can rename this one to fan this one 5 and 6, right? Fan 3 need to call fan 4, sorry, fan 5 and fan 6. So I will rename this one to fan 5 and fan 6. And let's go to fan 5 and fan 6, and then I will call fan 1 and fan 2 screen, and this one should be fan 3 and fan 4. That's correct. And copy to the main screen. We will call fan 2 and fan 3. Fan 4. Sorry, fan 5 and fan 6. This one, fan 3 and fan 4. Yes. So we can go to events and change this one to be fan 3 and fan 4, right? And this one we will change to fan 5 and fan 6. Okay. And then we can simulation the screen before download the program and then test with the PLC. So fan 1, fan 2, let's go to fan 3, fan 4, fan 5. Yes, and fan 6. Okay. So we can switch the screen. Follow we edit. Yes. Okay. So for the faceplate we already created. So next we will go to our logic, right? Okay, now before go to download the hardware configuration, I would like to revise some hardware configuration a little bit. Follow my hardware, actual hardware. Yes. So the first one is digital input. Yes. So 1BH00. Okay, I will check again. maybe I need to revise again, so I will delete the existing one first, and then I will go to the digital input module again. So 1B800 here, yes. So I will drag and drop to the rail again. And then one more is 1B801. It is the digital output, right? So let's go to digital output and then go to 1B8, right? One B801, yes. Okay, this one 1B801. And the last one is 1BL00. Okay, so I will add 3 cards also. Digital input 1BL00, yes. And I will connect the LAN cable from the Profinet of CPU to the LAN port of my PC. So let me check. Okay, I will connect the LAN cable. Okay, right now I already connected the LAN cable to the PLC, and then let's go to download the hardware configuration. Yes, before go download, I will save the project and then I will compile the project again. Okay, compile successful. There is no error, but have warning too. There is no problem. Yes, we can use, and then we can go download. Yeah, download button. So wait a moment for connecting, and then I will choose the correct Ethernet LAN connector. Yes, driver, and then choose try all interface and start search. It will detect the CPU. Yes. So right now it detects one PLC underscore 1 here. Yes, it is the name, and then we can click load to download. During load the hardware configuration, we need to stop the CPU. Yes. Okay. Continue without synchronization and click load. Stop the CPU. I will stop all. Right now the CPU was stopped. Okay, and I will choose start module. Yes, If I push start, I push finish, the CPU will running. Okay. Right now the CPU is running, and then we can online. Okay, and then we can go to the OB1 and FC1 to see the status. Yes. Okay, right now we can online, and then let's go to fan 1. Yeah, fan 1 screen, and then we can simulation. I will compile a little bit before simulation. Okay, there is no error, and then we can simulation. Okay, the connection was connected, and then we can go to see the status here. If I push the start, let's see here has the value. So if I set 25 Hertz, yeah, let's see here have 25 Hertz, and if I would like to start, I can start. Yes, it's running. I stop, it stop. And for the fan number 2, yes, we can also test. I will go to FC2 fan number 2, and we can online. Yes, and then I will set some parameter. Yeah, example, I set 50 Hertz or 20 Hertz. 20 Hertz. Yes, and here is the button start and stop. So if I push start, let's see, the output was running. I stop, start again. Yes, I start number 1. Yes. So for fan number 3 and number 4, we not yet create the logic, right? So we can create it. Okay, I will go offline first. And then we can go to the add new blocks. I will write fan 3 FC block, right? So fan 3 controller. Okay, and then I choose push button stop, push button start, and output. And then I will use nominal open to hold the signal. And then here we can type fan db dot fan 3, right? Sorry, dot fan. Okay, dot fan 3 dot stop cmd. This one, fan db dot fan 3 dot start cmd. And for the output, fan db dot fan 3 dot dry, and here we can copy and paste. Yes, and for the set point frequency, we can also use the example. I will use add, and here I will add fan dB dot fan 3 dot set, right? Example, I add 1.4, and then this one should be feedback, right? So fan dB dot fan 3 dot feedback frequency, right? Okay, and for this one we can use move fan dB dot fan 3 dot frequency in, right? So maybe I will use only 4 fan, sorry, only 3 fan, and then for another fan everyone will understand, okay, the same concept. So here fan dB dot fan 3 dot frequency out, okay, and then we can save. And if we would like to turn on the output of PLC, maybe we can use like this. Okay, I will call fan 3 first. Okay, and for the fan 1, command dry. Yes, I can use fan dB dot fan 1 dot dry, right? And then I will turn on the output of PLC. So let's go to hardware configuration. Here is the output module, right? So let's go to property and then check the address of the output. Here, I/O address. And then it will start from Q0.0, right? Okay, so we can go to main program. And then this one, I will try fan 1 dry. And then we can define take output, right? So we start from Q0.0 define. Okay, and for fan number 2, here we can copy, change this one to fan number 2, and then we can use the NO. So fan dB dot fan 2 dot dry, right? And then I will turn on one more output. So fan 2 dry. And then we can define the take. Okay, sorry, output, it will start from Q0.1 because Q0.0 we already use. And for fan number 3, also the same. So I will use normal open. So fan dB dot fan 3 dot dry, turn on the output. And during testing, I will show the status of the PLC. It will work perfectly. So this one, fan 3, and then we can define text. Go to output, global output, yes. Okay. And then we can download, yes, compile and download. F33 has been not compiled, right? So I will go to FC3 first and then compile first. And then I will go to main again and compile again. Okay, there is no error. And then we can download. Okay, right now the output was turned on because we have command start from the HMI. Yes. Okay, I will show the status of PLC. Okay, so I will go to HMI. Yes. Let's see, right now the fan 1 and fan 2 was running, right? And then we can see the output was turned on. And if I start the, I stop the fan 1, yes, output turn off. Stop the fan 2, output also turn off. Start again, yes. And I will go to start the fan 3, yes. I will start the fan 3, yeah. The output turn on. And let's see here, it's turned on also, yes. So good. So if we would like to connect the digital output to use with the VFD or use with the relay or contactor, we can connect from the PLC, yes. And for the fan number 4, number 5, and number 6, I will monitor only DB, yes, data block. Let's see here, we can online to see, yes. And then we can open the faceplate, yes. So if I push start the fan 4, we need to create the program, right? So this one, let's see the signal was on and off, yes. And if I go to fan number 5, yes, I start, let's see here, it's true, stop, also true. And fan number 6, okay, it worked. So maybe I will go to create all the program for fan number 4, fan number 5, and number 6 for easy to understand. Okay, so let's go with me together. Basically, we can copy like this. Copy and paste, and then we can rename, yes. This one should be fan number 4, yes. Change this one to fan 4. change all to fan 4. And then we can compile. Copy and paste more. Fan 5 FC. Okay, this one should be changed to fan 4. This one I will change to fan 5. Okay, this one fan 5 also. Let me check the fan 4 again. This one already changed, right? Okay. Okay. And then the last one we can copy and paste and rename to fan 6. Fan 6. Okay, and then we can compile the block and save. Go to fan 5 again and then compile also. And then we can call the fan this one I will call fan 3. Fan 4. Sorry, this one fan 4, fan 5, and the last one fan 6. Yes. And then this one we can also add more for fan 3. I will add normal open and then so this one fan db dot fan 3 dot dry, right? And then turn on the output fan 3 dry and then define text the output Q0.3. Yes, and this one for fan 5 also no coil fan db dot fan 5 dot dry and this one fan file dry, define text, and then go to global output and define automatically define for us. And the last one, it is fan 6, right? So no coil fan db dot fan 6 dot dry, and this one should be fan 6 dry, define text and choose the global output. Okay, and then we can compile the program. Okay, there is no error. Let's see here, it is F3 F3 F3, right? So when we download the logic, it will go to automatic FC456. Okay, so I will download again to reinitiate the block. Okay, let's see here, FC1, FC2, FC3, FC4, FC5 and FC6. Okay, that's good, so we can online. And we can monitor, yes. So right now all output was turned on, yes. And then I will go to the screen 1 again and go to simulation. Okay, so right now all fan was turned on, yes. Let's see the output turn on, 6 bits. Okay. And if we would like to stop, we can also stop. Yes. Okay. Fan 3. Okay. FC6, okay, good. We can online to monitor here also, yes. Okay, our fan was running. Yes. So this is just an example about how to create the program for control the fan by using the UDT and faceplate that create with the TIA Portal version 17. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.